Hello guys, how are you? I hope you're doing well. So in today's session, I'll show you and I'll teach you how to fill the CTET form. If somebody is doing this process for the first time and is not aware how to get that link to fill the form for CTET and Sarkari result. If you're not aware about the what.com and all, simply just type on the Google that Sarkari result. Once you type Sarkari result, you can see first link is there, sarkariresult.com is there, right? So now you can see here there are so many things here, like you can do for UP CTET, CT, NTTE, DPE, DPED admission 2022. So related to this, you can you can go on this website and you can find many things here. Yeah, you can see here CTET December 2022 apply online. You can click on it. There are so many ads you can close, no need to open it. Now you can see here the option is there are so many things here, you can read properly and you can go respectively. So you can see here, like already you can see important dates. Application begin 31st 10 2022. So this announcement came out on 31st 10 2022, and last date for this examination form to fill, that is 25th 11 2022. So that's all here. And if you want to aware about the things that what is the fees, how much fee you will have to pay as a general, as a OBC, as EWS, as ST, SC, physically handicapped. So they are breakup. You can see here fees description is already there here, so you can see. And now eligibility, in going through the eligibility criteria and code details, you can see here CTET primary label class 1 to 5 eligibility details with code. So you can search it around everything. Once you click on this option, you will find it everything about related to CBSE CTET December 2022, right? So without wasting time, because this tutorial for how to fill up the form for CTET, right? So now let's go on and click on. You can see here apply online. So I'll click here option, and whosoever already have registered on the website, you like put the application form and application number, password and security pin, and then click on sign in. And now we are going to create for the first time and we are going to register for the first time. So now I'll click on this option, not on this. I'll click on new registration option, new registration only, right? And there are instruction and procedure for online submission of application form. So simply we just go below and you can read all these respectively. And if you have read clearly, you can click on tick. There is a tick button. You can see here, I have downloaded information bulletin, read and understood all the instructions therein, as well as those mentioned above, and filling up the online application form accordingly. So click here to proceed. You can see, you can click on it. So now you can put your number. If you're filling this form for yourself, then you can put your number, your name, father name, mother name, etc. And if you are filling for somebody else, obviously you can fill the candidate information. So now I am filling this form to someone who is belong to me, and who is related to me, right? So let's show me, let me show you. I'll put the candidate name. Let me show you how it looks like. So now, after filling father name, mother name, date of birth, gender, identity type, identification number, premises number, everything is there, like you can see it respectively, right? Choose password, security pin, etc. You can put here. Security pin code did not match, please enter. Now you can see I have filled all the information here, and now I'll click on submit, and it will take to us on next page. When I clicked on submit button, this form is coming, so you can see here, and now it is saying edit a registration form or submit and send OTP. So now I'll recheck it. If everything is correct, I'll click on tick on everything. Like you can see I unticked it. Now you can see I ticked all those. मैंने सब पे टिक कर दिया, and now I'll click on I agree this bullet, and now I'll click on submit and send OTP, as I'm sure that everything is perfect I have mentioned here. I'll click on submit and send OTP and click on yes. Now the number I have registered here and OTP has been sent. I'll put this OTP and I'll click on submit registration. Now you can see after putting the OTP, I click on OK button and then this page is opened, right? So अभी आप देख रहे हैं registration form, and registration form में completed दिखा रहा है. Application for registration form complete हो गया है. Application form and दूसरा पेज आएगा आपका fee payment का, right? तो अभी हम करेंगे application form को fill up, right? So now let's click on complete verification form. और यहाँ पे आप देख रहे हैं मोबाइल नंबर वेरीफाई हो चुका है क्योंकि वो ओटीपी उसी पे गया था, तो इट इज ऑटोमेटिकली वेरीफाइड. और ईमेल आईडी जो मैंने डाला था उसको वेरीफाई करना है, तो उस पर भी एक ओटीपी मैं चेक कर लूंगी, अगर आया होगा तो उसको उस पर क्लिक करके उसको भी वेरीफाई कर लेंगे ऐसे ही, राइट? सो नाउ लेट्स क्लिक ऑन कंप्लीट एप्लीकेशन फॉर्म. अभी हम क्लिक करेंगे इस पे कंप्लीट एप्लीकेशन फॉर्म पे. तो लेट मी शो यू, इसमें सारी डिटेल्स भरने को आ जाएगा, राइट? सो अभी सिर्फ कॉन्टैक्ट डिटेल्स वाला फॉर्म भरा, मतलब पेज भरा था हमने, तो वो कंप्लीटेड दिखा रहा है. नाउ पर्सनल डिटेल्स इनकम्प्लीट दिखा रहा है. अप्लाई फॉर क्वालिफिकेशन डिटेल्स, अपलोड फोटोग्राफ, सिग्नेचर, एग्जामिनेशन, सिटी डिटेल्स एंड फाइनल सबमिट, एवरीथिंग इज देयर. सो हम रिस्पेक्टिवली इसको करेंगे, राइट? नाउ क्लिक ऑन पर्सनल डिटेल्स. उसके बाद ये डिटेल्स आ गई हैं, जो थोड़ी बहुत इंफॉर्मेशन हमने डाली थी फर्स्ट पेज पर रजिस्ट्रेशन के टाइम पर, वो अभी आपको दिख रही हैं और कुछ एक डिटेल्स अभी बाकी हैं, तो उनको हम रिस्पेक्टिवली फिल करेंगे. लाइक नेशनैलिटी क्या है, इंडियन है हम, राइट? कैटेगरी क्या है, जो भी आपकी कैटेगरी होगी आप करेंगे. यहाँ पे जनरल मैं सेलेक्ट कर रही हूँ. यहाँ पे देखेंगे पर्सनल विद डिसेबिलिटी, तो यहाँ पे नो डालेंगे क्योंकि डिसेबल्ड नहीं है. एम्प्लॉयमेंट स्टेटस क्या है, नो, नॉट एम्प्लॉयड करेंगे. और यहाँ पर सिक्योरिटी पिन मांग रहा है, तो विल पुट सिक्योरिटी पिन हियर, राइट? X7L7. Now I'll click on save and next. I'll click on yes. Now you can see here apply for, किसके लिए अप्लाई कर रहे हैं? पेपर 1 क्लास 1 to 5, पेपर 2 एंड बोथ. क्या दोनों के लिए कर रहे हैं? तो हमें करना है दोनों के लिए. अगर जिनको सिर्फ एक पेपर के लिए करना है तो एक करेंगे, जिनको दूसरे के लिए करना है तो दूसरे के लिए करेंगे, जिनको दोनों पेपर देना है वो दोनों पे करेंगे, राइट? सो लैंग्वेज क्या करना है? हिंदी. जिनको अपनी प्रायर लैंग्वेज हिंदी करनी है वो हिंदी करे, जिनको प्रायर लैंग्वेज अपनी इंग्लिश करनी है वो इंग्लिश करे. तो प्रायर लैंग्वेज में अपना हिंदी डाल देंगे, उसके बाद सेलेक्ट करेंगे इंग्लिश.